Yes, blessed my fanatics, my people, my audience, my folks, my fantastic people. St. James in the news again. The police are reporting that an identified man was shot during a confrontation with lawmen in St. Catherine Hall in St. James yesterday. The police corporate communication unit said the body of a brown complexion, slim built male about 6 foot 3 inches long with plaited hair. It was clad in a grey t-shirt, grey marina, blue jeans and brown belt. CCU said a Browning 9mm pistol loaded with a magazine containing 2 rounds of ammunition was taken from him. The Inspectorate of the Constabulary and the Independent Commission of the Investigation are investigating, said the police. So, when you see what go on there, so you understand, one like a confrontation will go on in a St. Catherine Hall, in a St. James, leave one man flat out, slap way, a push up rose. You understand, cause boy, him decides a boy I'm go have a gunfight with the police and it ended with him being deceased, losing his life.